welcome to my first ever tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your character walk, and yeah. So basically, to start off, make sure you're editing. If you're making it a walk, do normal speed. If it's anything else, do fast speed. And scene size HD ready, and make sure the no interpolation is not on, because if it's on it will look bad. So to start off, want to move both arms slightly and kind of bend the leg a bit. Make sure that it's not leaning too much, or else it'll just look like your character's running. So make sure that your foot placement's correct. You can see how mine it's not changed that much. He's stepping and he's moving his arm. Take the frame, move the leg a bit, and bend that forward. Move the arms a bit more. Then take a frame, and then go like this, bend the other leg, and then put it like that. And then make sure that your arms are switched. You must make sure that if your right foot or your left foot is stepping forward, let's say my right foot was moving forward, make sure that your right hand was moving backwards, and if the left foot was forward, the right hand would go forwards. So then the next one, we're going to move it slightly. Don't move it too much or else it will not look good. So just like that. And then just repeat me. So now we move on to the camera view. Camera view is very simple. There's multiple ways you could do this, but I'm going to show you the easiest way. Just like next frame, and just move it, and the next frame here, and then just keep moving it. It's not the hardest thing to do, but it may not be easy, but it may not be that hard either. And then you could do it like one big one, then go to here, and then add. And then when you play it, it should look like this. Sorry if it's a bit laggy, but I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Goodbye.